This string figure is called Sardines, and it uses a display technique called the Caroline extension, which is used in quite a few string figures, so it's a worthwhile technique to learn, even though at first sometimes it seems a little bit difficult. And to do the Caroline extension, what we need to do is just lift the string with the tip of our pointer fingers and then pinch that string against our pointer finger with our thumbs, and then rotate the hands forwards. To do the Sardines string figure, we just want to start with the loop of string across our palms, and then on the left hand side just take the near thumb string and wrap it around the thumb once, and then go into that loop from below with your right hand thumb and then pull it tight. Then with your pointer fingers you want to go underneath that far thumb string, lift it up and rotate your hands forwards and drop the thumbs. Then with our thumbs I want to go behind all of those strings and then collect the far index string, push it away and down. You should end up looking like this. Then keep rotating the thumbs towards you and drop the index fingers. You should end up with a shape that looks like that. Now I just want to collect the near little finger strings from below with my thumbs, pull it back, and now it's time to do the Caroline extension. So with my pointer fingers I want to go underneath that far thumb string, just push it up with the tips of the pointer fingers, pinch that string against the pointer fingers and rotate the hands forwards. And that's the Sardines string figure and the Caroline extension.